Israel looks to hire 100,000 Indian workers to replace Palestinians. Report: Israel is reportedly planning to hire 100,000 workers from India to replace Palestinians who lost their jobs after the recent attacks by Hamas. The construction sector in Israel has requested permission from the government to hire these workers, as approximately 90,000 Palestinians had their work permits canceled. The removal of the Palestinian workforce has had a significant impact on Israel's construction industry. To bring the sector back to normalcy, the Israeli Builders Association is in negotiations with India and awaiting approval from Israeli authorities. We hope to engage some 5,000 to 100,000 workers. Earlier this year, Israel and India were considering an agreement to send 10,000 Indian workers to Tel Aviv. The agreement included workers for the construction industry and the health sector. Israel has been engaged in a prolonged battle against Hamas, with no immediate sight of a ceasefire. While Israel claims that nearly 2,400 people were killed in the attacks, Israel's plan to hire Indian workers is an attempt to fill the gap left by the Palestinian workforce. The move aims to stabilize the construction industry and address the challenges caused by the recent attacks.